AS A-Level Math, paper 12, October-November 2019, question number 5. The diagram shows a solid cone. This is solid cone, which has a slant height of 15 cm. This is the slant height, and the vertical height of 8 cm. Vertical height is from vertex to the center of the base, center of circle. Show that the volume V of the cone is given by V equals 1/3 pi times 225 h minus h cube. For this question, we use Pythagoras theorem. Thus, this is the vertical height, this is the radius of the base. Base is in the form of circle, and this is the slant height. Follow the Pythagoras theorem. H squared plus R squared is 15 squared, because here is right angle. R squared plus H squared equals 15 squared. Thus, R squared is 15 square 225 minus H square. This is shift to the right. Now, volume of cone, that is 1/3 pi R square times height. Thus, 1/3 pi, substitute R squared by 225 minus H squared. Thus, 1/3 pi times 225 minus H squared times H equals 1/3 pi times 225 h minus h cube. Thus, question I is shown. Thus, this one shown. Volume is 1/3 pi times 225 h minus h cube. II, given that h can vary, find the value of h for which V has a stationary value. Determine, showing all necessary working, the nature of this stationary value. Here, differentiate V with respect to h. Thus, dV dh, that is pi over 3 times 225 minus 3h squared. Thus, differentiation of V with respect to h, dV dh, what that is, this is constant, pi over 3, they stay the same. Differentiation of 225h, that is 225, and differentiation of h cube is 3h squared. That is why dV dh is pi over 3 times 225 minus 3h squared. Sets dV dh to 0. Thus, V over 3 225 minus 3h squared equals 0. Pi over 3 cannot be 0. Thus, this part will be 0. Thus, 3h squared equals 225. H squared is 75. And h is square root of 75, because h is greater than 0. Thus, we use only the positive value of h. Thus, the vertical height of the cone is square root of 75 of 5 square root of 3 cm. Now, we will find the second derivative of V with respect to h, that is d squared V dh squared. Thus, differentiation of this one once more with respect to h, thus d squared V dh squared, this will be 0, and this will be minus 6h. Minus 6h times pi over 3, that is minus 2 pi h. Thus, the second derivative of V with respect to h, that is minus 2 pi h. Now, h is 5 square root of 3. Substitute h by 5 square root of 3. Thus, that is minus 2 pi times 5 square root of 3, that is minus 10 square root of 3 pi, and this is less than 0 or negative. Thus the nature of the stationary value of V is maximum when h is 5 square root of 3 cm. Now question number 10. The diagram shows part of the curve y equals 1 minus 4 per 2x plus 1 squared. Thus that is this curve. Yeah. The curve intersect the x-axis at A. Thus this curve intersect x-axis at point A. The normal to the curve at A intersect the y-axis at B. Thus this is the normal line at A, and this normal line intersect y-axis at B. I obtain expression for dy dx and integration of y dx. Rewrite this equation to 1 minus 4 2x plus 1 power minus 2. And now differentiate with respect to x. Thus dy dx is differentiation of 1 with respect to x is 0, and then differentiation of this part, that is minus 4 times minus 2 plus 8 times 2x plus 1 power minus 2 minus 1 power minus 3 times differentiation of the part in the brackets, differentiation of this part, that is 2. Then 8 times 2 is 16 times 2x plus 1 power minus 3, or 16 over 2x plus 1 cube. That is dy dx. And now integration of y dx, that is integration of this, integration of 1 minus 4 times 2x plus 1 power minus 2 dx integration of 1, that is x, and integration of this part, that is 4 times 2x plus 1 power minus 2 plus 1 over divided by minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 2 plus 1 times, thus minus 2 plus 1 times the coefficient of x in the brackets, that is 2 plus c, integration constant, that is x minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 times 2 minus 2, thus minus 4 per minus 2 is plus 2, that is why 2 here, times 2x plus 1 per minus 1 plus c, or equals x plus 2 per 2x plus 1 plus c. The second question, I find the coordinates of B. Thus B, that is the y-intercept of the normal line of point. Thus normal point is A. Thus first we have to find the equation of this normal line at point A. Thus first we have to find the coordinate of point A. At A, y is 0. Thus 1 equals 4 per 2x plus 1 squared. That is cross multiplication, 2x plus 1 squared equals 4. 2x plus 1 equals plus minus 2, or 2x is shift to the right, minus 1 plus minus 2, and x is half, or x is minus 3 per 2. In this case, we ignore x minus 3 over 2, thus the normal point A is half, 0. This is the point A, thus we choose x half for A. Thus coordinate of point A, that is half, 0. That is, thus the normal point A is half, 0. Now we have to find the gradient of tangent line at A. that is dy dx when x is half equals 16 per 2 cube equals 2. Thus the gradient of tangent line at A, that is 2, no, gradient of normal, that is minus 1 per gradient of the tangents. Thus gradient of normal, that is minus 1 per gradient of tangents 2, minus half. Equation of normal at A with gradient minus half, that is y minus 0. Y minus 0 equals gradient minus half x minus half. That is y equals minus half times x minus half x minus half times minus half 1 plus 1 over 4. Thus this is the equation of the tangents normal line at A. Now at B means the x equals 0 for the equation of the normal line. Thus at B x equals 0. Substitute in the equation of the normal line. X is 0, thus y is 1 over 4. Thus y is 1 over 4. Thus coordinate of point B is 0, 1 over 4. And the third question is find, showing all necessary working, the area of the shaded region. Now the question is now find the area of this shaded region. Thus the area of this shaded region will be area under this line, area under this line, thus all area under this line minus area under this curve, minus area under this curve for x from 0 until half, because the x of A half. The area of the shaded region equals area under the normal line y equals minus half x plus 1 over 4 minus the area under the curve y equals 1 minus 4 over 2x plus 1 squared between x0 and x half. Thus the area of the shaded is integration from 0 until half of area under the normal line minus area under the curve. Thus 1 over 4 minus 1, that is minus 3 over 4, that is minus half x, that is here, minus times minus 4 over 2x plus 1 squared, that is this one, minus times minus plus times 2x plus 1 power minus 2 dx. Integration of minus 3 over 4, that is minus 3 over 4x, integration of minus half x minus 1 over 4x squared, and integration of this part, that is 4 times 2x plus 1 power minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 per power plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 times the coefficient of x in the brackets 2 from 0 until half. Now first substitute the upper bounds in this equation, that is minus 3 over 4 times half minus 1 over 4 times half squared plus 4 times 2 times half is 1 plus 1, thus 2 power minus 1 per that is minus 1 times 2 minus 2, and minus substitute in this equation x by 0. This will be 0, 0, and here is 4 over minus 2, thus 4 per minus 2 is minus 2, thus minus 2 here, and you can calculate this part, that is will be minus 1, 7 per 16 minus 2 plus 2, thus 9 over 16. Thus the area of the shaded region equals 9 over 16. Thank you.